Yo, what up? 1 2 1 2. Before we get into it, a quick word from my sponsor, me.
I always kept a knife with me.
Perk State, 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 Perk State.
I always kept a knife with me. I just started pushing it. You know, because that's what I seen coming up, especially in my household. You know, and the guy came to me and asked me, can he ride the bike? So I said, no, you can't ride the bike. And as bullies do, you know, what do you mean? You can't ride the bike. So he pushed me, you know, and was trying to take my bicycle from me. So I go in my pocket, I take my knife out. And he asked me what was I gonna do. He was about maybe 3 years older than myself, so he was considered like a big boy to me, you know, older guy, you know. And I took my knife out. He said, "What you gonna do with it?" And as he's saying that, I just started pushing it.
Perk State, Perk State, Perk State, Perk State, Perk State. Perk State, Perk State, Perk State, Perk State.
Yo, 1 2 1 2. It's your man Kirk State. What's going on? And I'm back right here on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Actually, didn't go too far. I was just moving the whole setup into another room. You know what I'm saying? And right now we still in a little bit of construction. You can't see all the wires and the boxes and all that on the floor and all of that, right? And the records everywhere. You know what I'm saying? So I had to reshuffle around the records. You know what I'm saying? Move the equipment around, move the podcast studio around. Got the DJ equipment up in here. Got the beat making over here with the sampling, with the turntables and all of that. And I'm gonna bring you more and more of that. You know what I'm saying? But right now I'm just giving you a little update. What's been going on? I didn't run off on you. I'm right here. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to each one teach one. You're going to teach me while I'm teaching you, right? You know what I'm saying? And the worst question to ask is to not ask a question, you know what I'm saying? So it's no hard questions here, no stupid questions here. Just ask me anything, man. You want to teach me something? I'm wide open, you know what I'm saying, to learn and soak up the information and the knowledge, you know what I'm saying? Just to let you know, man, I'm right here, DJ Kirk State. I want to thank everybody for supporting who made all this possible, you know, through streaming my music on Spotify and Tidal, and I don't know how much Tidal paid, but that's another story. But Spotify, Tidal, iTunes, you know what I'm saying? Buying the albums off of Amazon Music and all of that, you know what I'm saying? And thank you if you ever deposit to the Cash App, I'm going to shout you out. PayPal, I'm going to shout you out, you know what I'm saying? And I just appreciate all the love. And we're going to come back with the Kirk State Pirate Radio, you know what I'm saying? And possibly, you remember we had the Hung Joey Radio back in the day. We're going to bring that back too, you know what I'm saying? So just be on the lookout for your man Kirk State right here on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, you know what I'm saying? And we're just going to keep it rolling, man. Like I said, I'm here to learn and I'm here to teach and I'm here to show and I'm here to inspire. There's a lot of people. I could hardly name everyone that inspires these days. My creativity, you know what I'm saying? And because that's how it works. Creativity grows like a tree, you know? It just grows, it settles roots, and then it just grows. You inspire people without even knowing it half the time, right? Somebody run up into me and be like, yo, because of you, man, I wanted to go ahead and get serious and put my music out there to the world. You know what I'm saying? Yo, because of you, man, I got back into DJing. Yo, because of you, man, I started doing this. You know what I'm saying? So it's a lot of people that inspire me, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, big up to my man Sight with the MPC gear and all that, with the MPC gang. Yo, all that good stuff, man. So, yo, I'm here, and we're going to keep it rolling and keep the content coming for sure. It's your man Kirk State. See you in the next video, player.